If you want to buy a laptop at a low price, this video is for you. MacBook Air and MacBook Pro starting at $500. Today's the day to pick up a new Mac for less, but big performance usually begets big prices. Unless you jump at the chance to bag a new or used Apple laptop in Woot's current MacBook sale. Like most Woot offerings, you need to act fast, as these prices come to an end on October 24th unless the laptops sell out sooner. There are multiple laptops on offer right now across different screen sizes and price points, including the 16-inch M1 Max MacBook Pro. This mighty laptop can still sell for a small fortune, but if you order now, you'll pay just $2,360. This open-box machine comes with a powerful 24-core GPU, 32 gigabytes of RAM, a vast 8 terabyte solid-state drive, and a gorgeous space gray finish. If you like this video, please like it. If you're new to this channel, subscribe.